Hello, good morning student. Today we are going to start our new chapter of subject EVS. The name is Flowers Everywhere. We all know our surrounding areas, there are many flowers there, and it's lesson about flower. Okay, so with the starting of this lesson, we introduce about a girl name is Khushi was very happy today because she was going to visit Rose Garden with her papa. Rose Garden, that means Gulab Bagh, and in Udaipur city you all know that there is a Gulab Bagh here, and we all go. So she thought that to go there she should wear a frock with flower prints because she is going in flower garden. So she decided that she wear a frock of flower printing. On reaching the garden and observe only flowers everywhere, Khushi's happiness knew no bounds. First and foremost, she went to rose bed and asked the flowers, "Who are you?" She was very happy to see that all everywhere flower and only flower, and she asked to one flower that who are you? Then that is a flower of rose, and it said that I am rose and my color is pink. We also that its color is pink, and I am full of fragrance. That means rose flower is full of fragrance. My petals are used for making perfume and gulkan. Butterflies, bees, bees, wasp and moth suck my nectar. Khushi ran after a butterfly that was jumping over and sitting on rose petals. She stopped when she saw the yellow flower bed. Then first she introduced with rose flower and with its color and what is used she knew, and then after go to the yellow flower. And what is the yellow flower? The yellow flower name is called sunflower. What we call to the yellow flower? That is a sunflower. And it said that my name is sunflower. As the sun keeps moving ahead in the sky, my shirt bends toward it and I face the sun. Its face is only when sun moving, then its face was moved. I am yellow in color. We all see that its flower color is yellow. I feed the wasp and moth. My seeds are used for making oil. So what is the use of sunflower? Its seeds used for making oil. Oh, you are so beautiful and you always face the sun, said Khushi. Khushi said to its flower that you are so beautiful, and I will move ahead, talk to other flowers. She proceeded from the place. After meeting rose and sunflower, she moved with new flower, and the new flower. Oh, these flowers floating in water are so beautiful. Flower, who are you? Khushi asked to this flower, and then this flower said that I am a lotus flower. I bloom in water. My leaves are very big. We all see that their leaves are very big. My very tasty vegetable is made from my stem and curls. With this flowers stem and curls are helpful for made vegetables. Okay, I have seen you in my school also. You are the same flower on which Ma Saraswati is seated. So Ma Saraswati, which flower seated? That the lotus flower Ma Saraswati sits. Ha ha, smiled the lotus flower. Then you see that the lotus flower is smile. So you make in your you draw this lotus flower and rose and sunflower in your notebook, okay, with their color, okay. Think and write that there are some questions, and write the name of two pink flower. That first we knew that there is a pink flower is rose, and then other is camellia, and carnation is another flower. Their color is also pink, okay. And next question is write the name of flower which bloom in water. Then we all know that lotus also, and lotus with water lily, water poppy, also the flower name which they bloom in water. Write the name of two yellow flower. That one yellow flower is a sunflower, and the another is daffodils and marigold, rosa. They are other yellow flowers. Which flower are used as food? We use that alliums, marigold, honeysuckle, and Dray lily, mint, they all flowers used as a food. So next is oil is obtained from seeds of which flower? We all know that sunflower seeds and sesame, neem, chia, that almond, all flowers seeds used for oil making. Gulkand is made from petals of which flower? Rose. Okay, so this question you do in your notebook and write down their answer also. And then next is honeybee is nice. Khushi was moving forward when a honeybee approached and said, Khushi, you are playing and running after the butterfly, play with me also. Okay, so bee said to Khushi that after you play with butterfly, then play with me. We all know that bees there make a honeycomb and they collect the honey from the flower, and their lives also all dependent from flowers. So flowers are very necessary for this type of insect that all dependent on the flowers. Okay. Arey, who are you, friend? Who makes this buzzing sound? Khushi smiled and asked. Then the bee said to Khushi that I am honey bee. I make honey and I suck flower nectar and fill it in a small sac in my stomach. This nectar produces thin honey in my stomach. You must have seen my comb. Yes, there is a big honeycomb on the banyan tree near my school. So we all watch the honeycomb in our surrounding areas, in a school building near our house. There are lots of honey comb making by bees. I and other honey bees pour this thin honey in the cells of the comb. We collect as it our food. So bees food is a honey. Okay, to make it thick we fan them with our wings. For filling honey in all the cells it takes us many months. Areva, sister honey bee, you provide us sweet honey. You are so nice. So who provide to us sweet honey? That honey. Bees provide to us sweet honey. Okay. Then this is a question, if there were no flower, how would it affect the lives of wasp and moths? So this type of insect only dependent on the flowers. They suck flowers and get food from them. So if the flower will no there in our environment, then the insect will be died. Okay. You have observed a honeycomb in your neighborhood, then draw a picture of the same. So you draw the picture of, you all draw this picture in your notebook. Okay, this type of picture you draw. Okay, and fill into a color, different colors which you like. So after that, flowers at which places? Meanwhile, Khushi's father called out, "Beta, let's go home." Khushi seen all these flowers and then honeycomb. After that, they have to go. Khushi was returning with her father. She stopped on seeing a fallen flower in a flower bed. Picking up the flower, she asked her father, "Papa, who plucked and threw this flower here?" "Beta, nobody has plucked it, and nobody should pluck flower. It's our genuine duty. It has fallen on its own. A flower life is very short. A flower life is very short. Old flower fall and new flower bloom in their place. Beta, these flowers are of great use." "Yes, father, the gardener auntie makes garlands from these flowers outside the temple. She also sells this flower." In this picture we saw in our area near temple areas, we all watches these types of gardener sitting, and then they make a garlands for the gods. "Papa, the world of flower is so colorful and beautiful. There are flowers on my frock too, on curtains, walls. Everywhere picture of flower are there." Khushi reached home talking about such things. Okay, then on which object have you seen the picture of flower? The picture of flower is on cup. Okay, if you want to make a garland, what materials you need? First we need different types of flowers, and then we make a garland. Okay, next is, in the market at what rates flower and sold and bought? So we all know that there are different rates of different flower. Okay, where do we use flower? Make a list. When we go to temple as a garland, we use flowers, and for making oil, for making food, fragrance. So in many of things we use flower to make a perfume. Okay, so you all write down this type of uses of flower. Okay, observing any garland, count the number of flower beads in it and write. So you all count the garlands, number of flower. Name the state flower of Rajasthan. Draw it picture. What is the name of our state flower? So name of state flower is Rohida. Our state is Rajasthan, and our Rajasthan state flower is Rohida. Okay, that is a picture of Rohida flower. So all you draw this picture of Rohida in your notebook. Okay, then the next question is, draw a picture of national flower. What is our national flower? Lotus. And what is our state flower? Is Rohida. Okay, so this is our lesson, students. I hope you understand, and from this lesson we learned that flowers are of many types. Flowers are useful to us in many ways. Flowers are the basis of lives of many living organisms. Honeybees make honey. Okay, so and finally draw the figures in your book, and in this blank side you draw a different type of flowers. Okay, so it's our lesson. Thank you.